I'm Jessica. I'm from Beijing, China, but I go to school in the US. I found this place out of research when we were here by complete luck, and we had no idea about the Kriyas or the Pranayamas or even about Ananji when we got here. So everything came as a surprise, and it was an extremely pleasant surprise. The things that happen here is beyond my imagination, and the people here are so diverse, but everyone here can find relevance to their own lives, no matter what backgrounds they come from. And the people here have shown me the power of practicing Sattva Yoga, so I'm excited to go back and continue the practice. It's way better than I thought it would be. Looking from the photos online definitely does not show how beautiful this place is. And it provides a really tranquil place within the busy Rishikesh town for us to really be immersed in the practice and have silence to ourselves. And the food here has been amazing, and the staff, it's a retreat. I mean, it's academy, but it's feeling like I'm on a vacation in a 5-star hotel. Yeah. I mean, no matter what background you come from, this place, you definitely can learn a lot from this place. And I did a lot of comparisons online between different academies here in Rishikesh and in India. And we picked this place probably by design, by a lot of design for nature's design. So if you're considering this place, that's probably a sign that nature is trying to tell you to come here, and I don't think it's ever a mistake to come to Sattva. And Sattva has been growing so fast. Even at here, we've seen how fast Sattva has grown over just the past few years. And it's unimaginable how Sattva will be within a few years. So we're glad that we hopped onto Sattva right now, and I hope you can join us too. Thank you.